FreeFlyer Users Forum. This is a dedicated website with a discussion board for users all over the world to learn about FreeFlyer from FreeFlyer team members and each other. FreeFlyer users can ask questions about the tool or engage in conversations with other users in the forum. Here you can see a quick screenshot of the tool. You can view the forum without a FreeFlyer login, but to write posts or request features, you will need to have an account. I'll quickly open up the forum so we can discuss it in more detail. So the first thing you'll see when you log into the FreeFlyer Users Forum is this home screen. You can set up your quick links, and you have the access to 3 different discussion boards. The first is the general FreeFlyer discussion board. Quickly jump into this one. Here you can see information about how to learn FreeFlyer, how to learn or prepare for FreeFlyer Level 1 certification, and just general questions about what the tool can be used for. Go back to the users forum. The second one is the support discussion board. So here you can post your experiences with FreeFlyer to get feedback and support. You can think of this as essentially an online extension of the FreeFlyer technical support team. So if you're a current customer who needs support, obviously you can still reach out to the tech support team via email or via phone, but this is a good place to have those conversations online. So there's more broad visibility for those frequently asked questions. As an example, we'll click in here. You can see a few examples of commonly asked questions to the FreeFlyer technical support team, and this is a good place to get information on that stuff. The next thing is the project showcase board. This is a really unique part of the forum. This is a good place to actually showcase the work that you've been using FreeFlyer for. So in the past, we've done examples of FreeFlyer users conferences. This is a good place for people to come and talk about their use of FreeFlyer. But if you're looking for general feedback or want to showcase a procedure that was really helpful in getting your mission plan up and running, this is a good place to share that information or those utilities with the rest of the user base. And the last thing I'll mention is the feature request. Oftentimes you would request a feature by reaching out to the FreeFlyer technical support team or talking with a team member. This is a new avenue for people to request features or enhancements to the software. You can see that you simply need to include your first and last name, and then give us a little bit of detail on what exactly you're looking for in this new feature or enhancement. When you request this feature, we'll obviously create a ticket in our internal tracking system, determine the priority based on the number of asks for this new feature, and from there, you'll be able to become a beta tester for the new feature that you've asked once it's become developed.